Hi, I'm Sam from Hanko ActTrader, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open up a position, so open up a trade, whether it's a short position or long position, and also how to set your stop loss and take profit levels. Okay, so obviously when it comes to trading, you're going to want to open up positions, and that's pretty straightforward, but more importantly, you're going to want to set a stop loss and take profit. Now, not every trading strategy requires you to set a stop loss or a take profit. Some people like to trade more dynamically or fluid, where they open themselves up to a bit of risk, especially if you don't have a stop loss. But some people, I'm not here to tell you how to trade, I'm just here to show you how it's done when setting a stop loss and take profit, because majority of people are going to probably want to set a stop loss and take profit. So in order to do that, we're going to actually have to enter a trade. Now, this is just a demo account, so there's no risk of actually losing or winning money here. But we're on the Euro US dollar, okay? So you can see the chart right here, or we can go to the chart section here, and we can go ahead and let's select Euro US dollar on this chart. So here we are, we've got the 5-minute chart for the Euro US dollar open. As you can see, price is sort of getting wedged in at the moment. So we're just gonna, this wouldn't be something I would usually trade, but just for this example, we're gonna do a short position. So you see this big sell button right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click it, and it will pop up with this new position window. So we want to make sure that obviously Euro US dollar we are about to trade on the correct instrument. And here we can set the lot size. You can set your lot size here to whatever you like. So it's got a nice little slider here where you can go as small as to a micro lot of 0.01 all the way up to 100 standard lots, which is huge. Do remember that one standard lot is the equivalent of $100,000. So do keep that in mind. But essentially, you can set whatever lot size you want. We're just going to go for a nice standard lot size. And that is pretty much it. Now, I can go ahead and click OK and start that trade, or I can set predefined stop loss limits. So we might do that right now. So set a predefined stop. Yes. So we were going to short it. It's already dropped down quite a bit. But this is just an example. So we can set the predefined stop of where we want. So where do we actually want this stop to be? Well, I would say around the 7,940 area. I think that's fair. Maybe a 7,940. So I can literally just put the stop loss to 7,940. I can either use these I can either use these buttons here to go up and down, or I can just manually type it in. Okay, we could do a trailing stop. So if you'd want, a trailing stop is essentially as the market moves in your direction, should it go against you X amount of pips, it will get you out. So say we're in a nice downward trend. Let's just say you entered here for a sell position and it's going down and down and down. A trailing stop of, let's say, 5 pips, it will always be 5 pips away. So should the market go up like here and beat 5 pips, then it will take you out. So it's not one set price point, but rather a moving stop loss, if that makes sense. Okay, so you can set that as well. And then set predefined limit. So this case, it will be a buy limit order, which would be your take profit. And we would want our take profit in this case to probably be about around maybe 7,880. So we can again type it 880, and we can go ahead and click OK. And there we are. We are now in the trade. And if we go to the trading tab, we should see it right here. Open position. So we're down $7 at the moment. Down $3, and yeah, we could just let it play out. And now, of course, we can always edit the stop loss and take profit as well. And that's pretty much it. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.